A cat sat by a bowl, eyeing a shiny goldfish swimming inside. What a tasty snack, purred the cat. The goldfish, nervous, pleaded, "Please don't eat me, cat." The cat grinned, "Why not? I am hungry." Thinking quickly, the goldfish said, "If you eat me, the children will cry. Then they will not feed you milk, scratch your ears, or play with you." The cat tilted her head. That is true. The goldfish smiled. "But if you let me live, I will swim and sparkle every day. The children will laugh, bring you treats, and you will be happy too." The cat licked her paw. Perhaps a happy house is better than one snack. She curled up on the rug. You live, goldfish. But keep sparkling. The goldfish swished his tail. Deal! Kindness brings more joy than selfishness.